So, hey everyone, it's me Nini and welcome back to Remote Philippines Job. And today we have here Dayanara for our interviews and her testimony regarding our company. So, hey Dayanara, nice meeting you.
Hi, Miss Neely. Nice to meet you.
But before we start our interview, can you first introduce yourself, your background, your name, your age, and even your work right now?
Okay, so my name is Dayanara, and I started working at RPJ last July 2025. So I only start 5 months
You're
right now,
so
and yes po. And then about me, I am 30 years old, and my experience are not related sa work ko ngayon kasi I'm more on customer service representative. So right now nasa data entry position ako. So very thankful kasi yun talaga yung hinahanap kong work, yung non-voice. Kasi gusto ko nang alam mo yun, yung hindi ganun ka-stressful. Kasi pag nag-call center ka, kinda stressful kasi usually ang kausap mo is mga irate customer. But now, at least now, nasa peace side na ako. More, hindi na siya ganun ka-stressful. Kaya very thankful ako na na-hire ako kay RPJ. Yung background ko ngayon kay RPJ, yun nga, I'm very thankful din sa team na nakasurround sa akin kasi they are very helpful and very friendly. Kasi nga yung experience ko hindi related sa ginagawa ko ngayon. So very helpful sila sa akin. And lagi nila ako ginaguide. And then if may question ako, bilis lang din nila mag-respond.
And yeah, we're so happy that you are here in our company right now. And I hope na magtuloy-tuloy yung job mo and malay natin ma-promote ka next month or next year, di ba?
Yes po.
So, before joining Remote Philippines job, what kind of work were you doing?
I work as customer service representative for 1.5 years. Pero yung work ko talaga 6 years as a barista.
Uy, so
And
nagbabarista ka rin pala. Actually, I
yes.
also work as barista before
Ah,
I
wow.
work as full-time here.
Ayun, ang layo ng transition, no? Barista to call center.
But you know,
So,
that's one of the reason why Remote Philippines job is flexible also to other applicants because we don't judge them based on their experience. Kasi kahit walang experience, open dito. And you know, we're happy also talaga na nandito ka ngayon, hindi mo inisip na baka hindi ka tanggapin kasi yung background mo nga is naging barista ka. But look at you now, you are starting working here today.
yes, thank you. Thank you talaga kay RPJ. And then, yun nga po, yung una kasi, nung nag-apply ako kay RPJ, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong position yung i-apply ko kasi nga, pero sinabi naman na non-voice nga yung customer service. So, sabi ko na lang dun sa interviewer po si Miss Mary na kung ano po yung available na position, data entry or customer support, which is yung chat support nga po. So, yun po, napunta po ako sa data entry.
Yeah, kasi madami namang slots dito and it's up to you kung saan mo gustong matuto trabaho. And alam ko naman na kahit anong trabaho kaya mong gawin.
Thank you.
So, next question. How did you hear about our company or saan mo to nalaman? Is it on the internet, like social media, or even a referral from your friend?
Actually, nagsuscroll lang po ako sa TikTok and then nakita ko hiring si RPJ. So, tinry ko. Buti na lang tinry ko. Kasi hindi talaga ako mahilig mag-apply sa mga social media. Oo.
Kasi ba?
Opo. More on Indeed po talaga. Pero nung nakita ko si RPJ, why not? I-try ko. So, buti na lang talaga. Nag-take risk ako.
Can I ask kung anong klaseng video yung nakita mo sa TikTok?
Yung ano po, yung nasa coffee shop kayo.
And you know, it's a good thing kasi noon, di ba, nakikita mo lang ako sa TikTok. Ngayon, we're having an one-on-one interview and it's really legit, right? You can really vouch na legit talaga tong company natin and we
Yes.
are not scamming people.
Yes, and then 5 months na po ako sa company. Legit talaga siya.
Tuloy-tuloy to.
Opo.
So, what make you decide, especially that there are a lot of scams online, what make you decide to take a risk on applying, especially on TikTok lang?
Yung video kasi convincing talaga na mapapa-apply ka. And then, yun nga sabi is madali lang yung process. Which is totoo, mabilis lang talaga yung process. Mag-fill out ka lang ng form sa website. Tapos, yun na po, may interview na agad.
Can you share your application and your interview process went?
Actually, marami na po ako na-attend na interview. Ito po yung unique. Masasabi kong unique kasi parang ano lang, parang nag-getting to know each other kayo ni Miss Mary. Which is, eventually, nung habang nag-interview kami, parang naging comfortable na ako na show ko na yung sarili ko talaga. Kasi, ang weakness ko po talaga is interview. So, yun, na-help ako ni Miss Mary na ma-overcome. And then, yung process, yun nga po, fill out ng form sa website. And after 24 hours po ata, yun, meron ng email for interview.
Di ba? Mabilis lang. And
Po,
we're not comparing but we are just saying that when you apply here, it really shows na totoo talaga ang sinasabi namin through online because we don't want people to think na ay, we're just persuading us na ganito, ganyan, pero in reality, hindi naman pala, di ba? So, you are here are one of the testimonies that we are really legit and we are not scamming people. Na totoo talagang sinasabi namin and we just want to help other applicants to also to take a risk para meron na silang trabaho. Kasi yung ginagawa lang naman natin is to help them also to have their own job kasi nagtutulungan lang din tayo naman dito.
Tama po. And then, yun po, after ko po kay Miss Mary, may result na nagpapasta po ako agad. And then, in-endorse na po ako sa one person po. Her name is Miss Joyce po.
Joyce, yeah.
Yes po. And then, may tinas lang po sila sa akin. Parang binigyan ko ng short instruction. Tapos, tinas nila. And then, napasa ko po. And then, ang position ko po right now is quality controller. Which is, nag-double check po ka ng gawa or work po ng PA. So, meron mo po agad position. Sabi, nagulat nga po ako kasi, wow, may position na agad. Even though, yung experience ko. Basta pag napasa mo lang talaga yung test, may bibigyan ka na ng position.
Yeah.
Wala nagtingin sa experience mo.
So, nung na-hire ka na, ano yung impression mo sa team?
Ano po, very welcoming. As in, lahat po nag-welcome. And then, hanggang ngayon po, pag may question na po ako, very approachable sila. And very, very kind po. Lalo yung nag-handle po sa akin si Miss Joyce. Lagi po siya maka-guide. And then, yung mga post naman po natin is very appreciated.
Yes, I totally agree. Because they didn't make or feel us na bago pa lang tayo. Kasi parang lahat ng mga staff dito, tinitrato nila ng equal. Yung walang may taas, walang may mas bababa. Kasi yan yung goal natin is to have a healthy environment here and to avoid toxic.
Yes, but
Yeah. So what does their typical day look like? And anong mga client yung usually yung hinahandle mo?
yung task ko po daily is, yun nga po, mag-double check po ng gawa ng PA. At the same time, magbibigay rin po ako ng mga good tips sa kanila. And yun po, tinodouble check na po yung client. And magaling rin po sila magbigay ng feedback. Kasi yung feedback na may matutunan ka, yung nadadown ka. Ano pa, yung parang magbibigay pa sila sa'yo ng kung paano mo i-improve. Ganun po, in a nice way.
Yeah.
Hindi siya nakaka-pressure. Parang ikaw sa sarili mo, yung feedback na binigay nila is parang ma-eager ka na gawin pa yung best.
Yeah.
Ganun po yung
Constructive criticism, kumbaga.
Opo. Yun po yung
And I'm happy ka ngayon sa kung anong job na meron ka and hindi ka, sabi mo nga, hindi ka nape-pressure or kinakabahan to do things kasi meron talagang feedback na which could really help us to grow not just professionally pero personally din.
Yes po, tama po. And then, yun po, after ko po mag-double check ng gawa ng mga PAs, yun po, nagbibigay naman po ako ng example sa kanila kung ano po yung needs na hinahanap ko.
Yeah.
Yun.
And it's a good thing that you're also a great role model for them. I can
Thank you.
really see it. So, have you learned some new skills after you joined or you got hired? Yung mga skills
Yes.
yung mga naisip mo mga skills na hindi mo pa kaya pero kaya mo pala. Have you
Yes po.
experienced that? What and what example?
Tinrain po nila ako sa social media. Pero ngayon po nag-edit out ako ng mga stories. Yun po, tinuruan nila ako kung paano. So, maganda rin po talaga siya kasi like, career growth.
And
Opo,
magiging literate ka talaga sa mga technology.
opo, tama.
So, how does it feel working remotely nung nasa bahay ka lang? Ano yung mga differences when you compare it when you're working as a call center outside?
Sobrang nanibago ko kasi hindi ako kasi usually pagpapasok kapagod ka sa biyahe.
Yeah.
Pero when, opo, ngayon maglalagin ka, fresh ka, hindi ka haggard,
Yes. Less
hindi ka papagod,
less gastos talaga siya.
less gastos. Opo.
And maganda kasi hawak mo kasi yung oras mo and you don't need to catch some time para lang matapos mo or para hindi ka lang malate. Pero dito, hawak mo oras mo and you know how to manage your own time.
Yes po, tama po. And then, yun po, flexible na po yung oras. Masasabi ko po talaga.
So, can you give some advice to those who are afraid to apply online because they think that it might be a scam or talagang hindi lang ito para sa kanila kasi nga wala silang experience or they're just afraid to take a risk. Ano yung mag-give mo na advice sa kanila and to show to them na hindi talaga scam yung ating company?
So, nabibigay kong advice is take a risk talaga. Kasi tignan nyo guys, na-take na risk ako and nandito na ako sa position na gusto ko, nasa peace of mind ako, na trabaho is less stress and then very appreciative yung kasama mo, lagi kang napomotivate na pumasok. And dito sa RPJ kasi kahit newbie ka, as in meron at meron dyan sa amin na mag-help sa'yo, i-guide ka, hindi kami mapapagod. Ganun yung naramdaman ko sa kanila, hindi sila napapagod mag-help sa'yo hanggang sa mag-gets mo na yung process.
Yes.
Wala.
Yeah, I totally agree. So guys galing na yun kay Dayanara na talagang legit yung aming company and we just want to help you to find a real job. So yes, Dayanara, I want to say thank you for having your time with us today and I really hope that you will stay with us and you will have a prosperous new year. So yeah, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you both. You too, Miris. Bye. Thank you.